Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Wenger Bottle Mate. And the Bottle Mate is one of the discontinued 65mm Wengers. Well, technically, all the Wengers are discontinued because they got absorbed by Victorinox. But this one is not being currently made. The closest currently made one is the Victorinox Rally. If you want to get super technical, the Victorinox version of this is the Rover, where the Rover has, well, I'll show you in a minute. Anyway, let's take a look at the Bottle Mate. Now, the Bottle Mate is just a 65mm version of more or less this, with actually, oh, okay. I was going to say without the toothpick and tweezers, but there they are. So it's got the inward-facing tweezers and toothpick that are common on the Wengers, and the toothpick. It has the pen blade, common on the Wengers. Now, in comparing it to the Rally, it's a little bit bigger. Oops, the blade's a little bit bigger, like so. It has the nail file, like the Rally. Now, oops, that was the wrong blade. It has a nail file like the Rally. Now, one thing that is different is the nail file on the Rally has a small flathead screwdriver, and this one just has a nail cleaner. Now, on the other side, you have the bottle opener, wire stripper, and screwdriver contraption. Now, where these are different is the Rally has a Phillips head screwdriver here, and this one has a flathead screwdriver. The Rover has a flathead screwdriver here, and so that's the big difference. The deal with the Rally, though, is the Rally is currently available. I'll include a link in the description with a link to the Swiss Army knife wiki page for this knife, as well as a link for the Rally if you decide you want one of these. And the Rallies are actually pretty cheap. They're maybe 15 bucks, 14, 12, 13 bucks. They're not real expensive. And if you don't need the scissors, or you don't like the scissors, this is kind of a useful little tool. I mean, it does a reasonable amount considering the size, and you do get the pen blade. So this is actually not that common of a knife, but if you are interested in trying to find one of these, maybe set up a saved search on eBay. All you have to do to set up a saved search on eBay is basically you search for whatever you want, and then if you look under the search bar or into the search field, there's like a heart that you can click on, and that'll let you save the search. And depending upon what your settings are, you can have eBay like email you if there's a. It'll email you if you have any hits on your search. It'll send you an email like once a day. Well, it only sends you an email once a day if something matches your searches, and it'll let you know like whenever a new one gets listed. So anyway, it's not bad, and if there's something specific you're looking for on eBay, it's super helpful. So anyway, what do you think? Are you a fan of the bottle opener tool or not? Kind of meh. It seems to me that in this case, the Rally is superior, because what you're getting is you're getting the flathead screwdriver on the nail file, and then you get the Phillips head on the bottle opener. It's called like a combo tool, I think. Anyway, you get your Phillips head here, so you actually get a little bit more bang for the space with the Rally than with the Bottle Mate. The Bottle Mate's just one of those kind of oddities, I guess. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.